You had a good field day, my friend. QRZ, Kilo 1, Victor Tango Radio. CQ field day, Kilo 1, Victor Tango Radio.
Kilo Charlie 2, Radio America.
Hi, come on back. Someone stepped right on you.
Kilo Charlie 2, Radio America.
I caught the Kilo Charlie 2. Give me the rest.
Radio America, Radio America.
Yeah, I got you big time that time. Kilo Charlie 2, Radio America. This is Kilo 1, Victor Tango Radio. We are 2 Alpha and Echo Mike Alpha. Come back.
I copy you 2 Alpha EMA. Please copy 5 Alpha NL line. So New York, Long Island.
Thank you for the NLI, 5 Alpha, Kilo 1 Victor Tango Radio. Appreciate the call. Have a good field day. QRZ, Kilo 1 Victor Tango Radio. Victor Echo 3 Tango Uniform Charlie. This is Kilo 1 Victor Tango Radio, and we are 2 Alpha and Echo Mike Alpha. Echo Mike Alpha.
I copy 2 Alpha, Echo Mike Alpha. Please copy 1 Delta, Ontario East. Echo, Roger.
Hi, so it's Oscar November Echo, is that right?
Roger, Roger. Ontario East. Ontario East. Roger.
QSL on the Ontario East. Wow, they've made some changes this year, haven't they? Hey, you're coming in real loud and clear here in Cape Cod, Massachusetts. Appreciate the comeback. QRZ, Kilo 1, Victor Tango Radio. It looks like Whiskey Tango 3 Charlie, is that correct? We are 2 Alpha in Echo Mike Alpha. Tango 3 Charlie, give me your section and location, please. Copy MDC. The call letters here, you got everything else correct? The call letters here, Kilo 1 Victor, Tango Radio, QSL. Thanks, man. You have a good one down there in MDC. Appreciate the comeback. QRZ, Kilo 1 Victor, Tango Radio.
Victor Tango Radio from W1 Papa Zulu.
I got a Kilo Bravo 3, I believe. Come on back. Thanks for the Maryland DC on Kilo Bravo 3, Mike X-Ray Mike. This is Kilo 1 Victor Tango Radio. Is it 2 Alpha and Echo Mike Alpha, QSL? Thank you, sir. Appreciate it. QRZ, Kilo 1 Victor Tango Radio.
W1 Papa Zulu.
Papa Zulu, come on back.
K1BTR in Eastern Mass. This is W1 Papa Zulu. 5 Delta in Maine. Mike Echo.
Whiskey 1 Papa Zulu, 5 Delta in Maine. This is Kilo 1 Victor Tango Radio, 2 Alpha and Echo Mike Alpha. Thanks for the comeback. We like those guys from the state of Maine. Hey, you know, you don't have a Maine accent when you're talking on the radio, my friend.
That's because I come from Boston.
Oh, you're cheating. Hey, you have a good one. Have fun. This is Cape Cod, by the way. Let's see, what am I doing here? QRZ, Kilo 1 Victor Tango Radio. It sounded like a Whiskey 1 Charlie Lima. Yeah, just Charlie Lima Alpha, please. Whiskey 1 Charlie Lima Alpha, come on back.
That's 3 Alpha Echo Mike Alpha. 2 Alpha Echo Mike Alpha.
2 Alpha Echo Mike Alpha, thank you. This is Kilo 1 Victor Tango Radio at 2 Alpha Echo Mike Alpha. Same as you, pal. Hey, have a good field day. QRZ, Kilo 1 Victor Tango Radio. Who's next?